But enough chatting. We're gonna jump back out on the slopes, dude. What'd you do?
Nothing.
Yeah, I said it. I like hanging out with you. LaCroix. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Snowmass here in Aspen. The lady and I stayed in Basalt last night at our friends and made our way up this morning. We park at the Town Park Station. There's actually a shuttle service there that not a lot of people know about. So we went there, jumped on the shuttle. It comes every about 15 to 20 minutes and can fit 25 people on. It was maybe about a 3 to 4 mile drive from that shuttle up to the actual base at Snowmass. Just got off the main lift and now we're gonna drop in, do some runs, but hopefully it's gonna be a gorgeous day. We got a few more inches of snow overnight and Aspen's just getting hammered right now with snow. So we're gonna take in the day, enjoy Snowmass and enjoy this weather. All right, gang, so me and the lady just took a little bathroom break here at the Ullrhof house, just next to the Big Burn lift. We did a couple runs off of here, and then we stopped here just to use the restrooms. But if you're ever actually in the area, it's a really good place for burgers, fries, and shakes. We actually went up here the last time we skied at Snowmass with a couple friends, and they have really good Lavazza coffee. But enough chatting, we're gonna jump back out on the slopes, dude. What'd you do?
Nothing.
The sky is still kind of cloudy, just like yesterday at Highlands, where the sun just wanted to keep poking up, but there's this cloud that just hangs over the top of us right now. But it's still great riding. There's still so much snow left over from the last few days of snowfall, and even the 3 inches overnight made a huge difference today for us. And just great to come back out, ski Colorado, and have great ski conditions right now. Hopefully it lasts the rest of the season. We're gonna get back out, do some more turns, and enjoy the rest of this day. One great thing about coming to Aspen is all 4 of these mountains, gorgeous views throughout. These mountain views, unbeatable. for some spots. Alright gang, well, after doing a bunch more runs, the lady and I found ourselves on the far east side of the resort next to the Elk Lift. And next to the Elk Lift, there's this place called the Elk Camp. It has an elk restaurant at the top. I know I'm saying elk a lot, but you can get the drift of this place. There's cafeteria seating inside, a bunch of coffee, restaurant menus, and lunch all around, like pizza, fresh baked goods, and a lot of snacks you can get at this restaurant. There's also a bar right next door that you can get some really good Bloody Marys, drinks, sit outside. Outdoor seating is amazing here with the sun shining. Hope we get a good spot, but let's go check it out. We're hungry. All right, gang, we are refueled, re-energized, had a couple coffees and a piece of pizza inside. Love this place, absolutely gorgeous inside. There's always a bunch of people here, and that cafeteria is usually always packed. So if you want to get a decent spot, it's kind of good to just do a little crowd surfing and see if a few people don't leave throughout their stay here. But we found a spot outside, enjoyed some sun that came out finally, but we're gonna do a few more runs off of the Elk Lift here on the far east side of the resort before heading back. It's about 2 o'clock right now, so we want to be out of Aspen and back in Golden hopefully around like 7:30 tonight. But we're gonna do a few more runs, just enjoying the day.
Said excuse me, but you don't understand where I'm at. I was all around the world, on span, cross the map. I've been laying low and now it's time to pop up. Now throw me the oop, I gotta hire a Jerry Maguire. I'm tired of hearing it, show me the loot. I had to listen, they told me to shoot. Like it or not, man, I told them the truth. I stay away from the things that be causing me trouble, just out here enjoying the view. Seeing shit I never had, boy, I used to be a bad boy, and now I'm in my bag, boy, I knew. I don't do the rumors or the tabloids, I let you handle that noise, that shit doesn't last, no it's true. Each time that I move, ayy, my free time ain't free time, it's peace signs if you snooze. I got crease lines in my shoes, walk with me, you see what I do. Walk with me, you see what I mean, show you how to see it right through. I said excuse me, but you don't understand where I'm at. I was all around the world, on span, cross the map. I've been laying low and now it's time to pop up, bitch, I'm back. Now I'ma run it up, snooze on the kid that you dumb or what? You better go get your numbers up. And that's really on God, getting paid for this shit while I drink on the job. They so desperate for some clicks to the links on they blog. Being real, man, it's nothing but exhaust. Come on, I said excuse me.
LaCroix. All right, gang. Well, me and the ladies got back to the car. We did a couple more runs off of the Elk Run lift, and it was a fun day. We kind of did a little bit of everything on the resort. Didn't go back to the Cirque or any of the back bowls, but we just did a wide variety of stuff today. We didn't kind of hang around one spot in particular, just because Snowmass is such a wide and large mountain. We thought it'd be just a good idea to kind of get as much terrain off our chest today as possible. We came here last year with our friend and did the Cirque and even one more hike that are really fun to do. There's one hike off of the Elk Run lift that I wish we would have done, but we'll definitely be back next time to do that one for you guys. It's just so good to ride with my fiance, like I tell you guys all the time. I just love when she comes out and meets me places or we go together. It's just a great way to spend winter together. Yeah, I said it, I like hanging out with you. But either way, we're gonna be making our way back to Golden, so it looks like we have about a 4-hour drive to get back. And it was well worth it. The weekend was awesome. There was a lot of snow out here in Colorado, and I hope it just keeps coming, because the first part of the year was definitely dry, but now that it's later in the season, hopefully a few more storms make its way through and make it feel like a true ski season. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope you're loving all these videos I'm putting out there, tuning in, commenting. Just means a lot. Anyway, hope to see you OOT and ABOOT. We'll see you next time, guys.